Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of something that came yesterday, and what this happens to be, it says on the description here, it says Amazon Basics 14-inch 9,000 BTU round tabletop propane gas fire pit. Now I'll get this set up for you another day, but I'm going to unbox it today, and it says right here carton number 242 of 1,089. So these must have come over in a ship. It says it's made in China. So I did a little pre-unboxing because this was just one of those things where it was a box inside of another box. So we're going to slide this open and we're going to see what we got going on here. What do we got? All right, there's some styrofoam in there, that's it. Already getting to be a little messy here. All right, let's see what it is. Looks like a big piece of cake, doesn't it? The box was kind of heavy, I'll be honest with you. What we got here? There's the weight. A bag of glass, little glass round stones to put in there. I'm sure that's most of the weight right there, the whole package. A little packing. A nice glass ring, okay? It says caution, attention, surface shroud, which means hot. It's in French here. Caution, hot surface. Caution, hot surface. Okay, and then this just has some more packing. And it'll come out of the base here like this. And I'll put the styrofoam back in its original box. Okay. I'm going to take the wrap off here. Now, the way this works, as you can see, this is going to screw onto a propane cylinder. And there's going to be some kind of gas feed under here. I'm not sure exactly what the connection is going to look like yet, but I'm definitely going to figure that out. But you know those little openings you have in your tables? I'm going to take the little cover off of this, and this is going to sit down right in that. And that's just a kind of little screw thing there to tighten it and balance it off. Okay. And there we are. That's going to, just like I said, it's going to sit down on the table there. Okay. And it's like a little fire pit, obviously. It is a fire pit. These directions. And that's like a little starter, so you're going to let the gas out. That little spark is going to come on, and then you can adjust your flame appropriately and then push it in and shut it off. Pretty interesting. But that's it. That's the baby in a nutshell right there. And then this is going to go on. And then we're going to pour the glass inside here. I'm not going to do that yet until it actually gets set up. But that is the tabletop fireplace in a nutshell. Good packaging. It's attractive. I don't know how it's going to run yet, but you're going to certainly find out as I find out. And I'm not going to add these beads until we get everything set up on the table outside. But that's it. There you have it in a nutshell. Thanks for watching.